Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. The camp leaders and counselors is encouraged to use group activities to discuss culture, values, and beliefs with the people among whom they live. This sentence has a problem with subject-verb agreement. The subject, the camp leaders and counselors, is plural. Our verb, however, is singular. In order for this sentence to be correct, it would have to read, the camp leaders and counselors are encouraged. As this sentence has a mistake, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. The camp leaders and counselors are encouraged to use group activities to discuss culture, values, and beliefs with the people among whom they live. This choice corrects the mistake we found in the previous sentence and uses are instead of is. Another common grammar point we see in this sentence is the word whom. Who and whom are often incorrectly interchanged. How can we know which is meant to be used? The basic difference between who and whom is who is used when referring to the subject, while whom is used when referring to the object. A quick tip is, if when answering the question, I would work, use who. If me would work, use whom. For example, in the question, who did she see at the party, it would be correct to say, she saw me, not she saw I. Therefore, we can see that grammatically, this sentence should actually read, whom did she see at the party? In the sentence, who ate the cake, the correct answer would be, I did, not me did. Therefore, we can see that who in this case is correct. Using our sentence as an example, we could say, who do they live among? Grammatically, were we talking about ourselves, we'd say, they live among me. Based on this, we can see that the correct word here would be whom, just like we see written in our choice. Because this sentence doesn't seem to have any errors, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at the rest of the choices just to be sure. C. The camp leaders and counselors is encouraged to use group activities to discuss culture, values, and beliefs with the people among who they live. This choice actually combines both of the mistakes we've discussed so far. It uses is and who. This being the case, we can mark this choice off. And D. The camp leaders and counselors are encouraged to use group activities to discuss culture, values, and beliefs with the people among who they live. Although this choice correctly uses are instead of is, it still uses the incorrect who instead of whom. This being the case, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.